Question options. Solution. An is equal to 3 plus 2n. So we have to find A1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1. So which is equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Then A2 is equal to 3 plus, in place of n we have to put 2. So 2 into 2, which is equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Then similarly A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3, which is equal to 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. Similarly, we can write A4 is equal to 11. So, the list of numbers are what is the A1 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Then next we have to find D. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. Then A3 minus A2, which is equal to 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2. Then A4 minus A3, which is equal to 11 minus 9. Again we get 2, which is a constant. So constant. So we get D. We have to find sum. Sum is represented by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1